Welcome to my channel. This video is related to what is the reward point and what is the best way to use this reward point. Let's start the video. First of all, we know what is the reward point. Reward point giving against your transaction by SBI credit, debit card or net banking. Then, what is the value of the one reward point? One reward point is equivalent to 25 paise. Thus, 1000 reward point gets you free shopping worth 250. How does it work? At SBI Rewards, we believe that you must be rewarded whenever you use SBI product or service. SBI Reward aims to reward you in multiple ways to enable your reach your goal toward as soon as possible, from shopping with your debit card or paying timely EMI for your loan for earn reward point for variant transaction. How to redeem SBI reward point? You have two options: cash redemption or reward point redemption against gift. Cash redemption. If you want to redeem the reward point toward outstanding, you may send us a mail regarding redeemed reward points. Redemption of reward point Rs 99 plus GST will be levied on your SBI card account toward redemption of reward point. Second is reward point redemption against gift or online shopping. SBI card reward point can be redeemed online via net banking or mobile app, or you can redeem SBI credit card reward point with the following method. Method first is online. Follow the step given below for online reward redemption. For SBI internet banking, you can step 1 log into the SBI card portal using customer ID and password. Step 2 go to the reward section and click on redeem reward. Step 3 filter the reward point city and category. Step 4 check the item on reward catalog and select one as your choice. Step 5 click on redeem now to confirm. Second is mobile application. Step 1 log into the SBI mobile app with your customer ID and password. Step 2 from the left side menu, select reward option and click on redeem rewards. Step 3 filter the reward point city and category. Step 4 check the items on rewards catalog and select one as per your choice. Step 5 click on redeem now to confirm and proceed with your redemption process. Third is offline. This is the last method. You can redeem SBI reward point offline by following check the process mentioned below. Customer care. You can redeem reward point by calling on the SBI card customer care number. The customer card care representative will help you with the redemption process. You can either pay for the item in points altogether or choose the point plus pay option where you can redeem point and pay additional credit card. Thanks for watching Hindi tips and solution. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.